Good day everyone and welcome to the Mommy McCracken channel. Today's project is so simple that not even glue is involved. As always, we're going to dive right in. What better way is there to start off a project than with a good yard sale find? We clean off and let the base of this lamp dry. Step 1 simple enough and done. Now it's time to add the garland. Because it is midsummer here right now, I'm using a 6-foot sunflower garland paired with a 6-foot blue floral and a 25-foot ivy garland, along with a 6-foot ficus leaf garland, all found half off at Hobby Lobby. I had picked up several of these garden lights off-season for only $2 a piece at Walmart and wrapped one around the posts. I did find that wrapping it around this way didn't look quite right. Sorry I didn't catch this part on camera, but I took them all down and wrapped each individual leg instead with the ivy and wove the other 3 back and forth between the legs. You can put the controls for the garden light inside the top if you use faux flowers and the existing lampshade. Now for the fun part, decorating the tiers. This wooden lantern was only $3 at Dollar Tree, the birdhouse only 25 cents at Walmart, and the tin bucket another Dollar Tree find. I didn't want to ruin the lamp's functionality if possible, so I've tucked the cord inside 2 plastic grocery bags, tied it off, and put it inside the tin bucket. To hide this, I've placed a faux floral bouquet on top. Don't worry if you don't have all of these items. These are all just recommendations. You can get creative and use what you do have. I rescued a plant from Walmart that deserves a good home and decided it was the perfect complement to how ours turned out. But you could place a decorative bowl on top, fill it with water, and have a bird bath, or stick with the lampshade and faux furs like we did at the beginning of this video. So let us know how you use yours in the comments below. I try my best to keep our content short and sweet, but we all know that real life means inconsistency. Please, friends, help the YouTube algorithm know that we exist. Don't miss out. Click like and subscribe now. Thanks so much for watching, friends. To see more projects like this, click Mommy McCracken's Crafting Cottage here. Have a blessed, beautiful, and craft-filled life.